In the labyrinth of contemporary life, amidst the incessant demands and distractions, the importance of maintaining good posture often fades into the background. Yet good posture is not merely a matter of aesthetics. It is the cornerstone of physical health and overall well-being. It's about aligning our bodies in a way that supports their natural structure and function. In this essay, we will delve deeper into the multifaceted significance of good posture, exploring its profound impacts on musculoskeletal health, organ function, psychological well-being, and spinal integrity. Musculoskeletal health. One of the most immediate and tangible benefits of good posture is its role in preventing musculoskeletal issues. When we maintain proper alignment, we distribute weight evenly across our bodies, reducing strain on muscles, ligaments, and joints. This alleviates the risk of chronic conditions such as back pain, neck pain, and shoulder tension. By practicing good posture habits, whether sitting at a desk, standing in line, or lifting objects, we can safeguard our musculoskeletal health and minimize the likelihood of injury. Organ function. Beyond its effects on the musculoskeletal system, good posture plays a pivotal role in promoting optimal organ function. When we sit or stand upright, we create ample space for our organs to function unhindered. Proper alignment facilitates efficient breathing, allowing the lungs to expand fully and the diaphragm to move freely. It also supports proper digestion by preventing compression of the stomach and intestines. Moreover, good posture promotes healthy blood circulation, ensuring that oxygen-rich blood reaches every cell in the body. As a result, our organs can perform their vital functions with ease, contributing to overall vitality and well-being. Mental well-being. The link between posture and psychological state is a fascinating area of research. Numerous studies have demonstrated that adopting an upright posture can positively influence mood and mental well-being. When we stand tall and hold ourselves with confidence, we send signals to our brains that we are strong, capable, and assertive. This can lead to a boost in self-esteem, reduced feelings of stress and anxiety, and an overall improvement in mood. Conversely, slouching or hunching over can convey a sense of weakness or defeat, perpetuating negative thought patterns and emotions. By cultivating good posture habits, we not only improve our physical health but also nurture a positive mindset and emotional resilience. Spinal integrity. The spine serves as the central axis of the body, providing structural support and facilitating movement. Maintaining proper alignment of the spine is essential for preserving its integrity and function. Good posture ensures that the spine maintains its natural curvature, reducing the risk of degenerative conditions such as disc herniation, spinal misalignment, and osteoarthritis. By practicing good posture habits from an early age, we can promote spinal health and longevity, allowing us to maintain mobility and independence as we age. In conclusion, the importance of good posture transcends mere aesthetics. It is a fundamental pillar of health, confidence, and longevity. By making a conscious effort to maintain proper alignment in our daily activities, we can reap a multitude of benefits, including improved musculoskeletal health, enhanced organ function, elevated mood, and spinal integrity. Let us not underestimate the transformative power of good posture in shaping our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. As we stand tall and embrace the principles of good posture, we unlock the potential for a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life.